Click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Free Hacking Tutorial. So in this video I'm going to show you one of the best application for taking notes into your mobile phone. So let's begin the tutorial. So first of all, go to the Play Store to install this application. Here you type Evernote. Install this application into your mobile phone. So I have already installed this into my mobile, so let's open it. So you need to log in to your Gmail account to use this application or create a new account. So to create a new notes, click on this plus icon and you'll see all this option. Reminder, audio, you can take audio notes from recording by recording directly from your mobile phone, or you can add an attachment like audio, video or picture or PDF files or anything. You can attach it and save it into this account, into this application. Or you can also save in handwriting notes or camera notes. Show you how the camera notes work. As you click on this, it will convert it into the Xerox like photocopy. You can see here it has converted the books into a Xerox like image, which is easy to read and can see it clearly. You can save anything which you find useful onto this application, like from the internet. You can save the web page or image. You can save image, video and text as a notes directly into this application and can access your notes from different device by simply logging into your account. Here is how you can save web page to, like say here, if I want to save this web page into this application, what you need to do is to click on these three dots and click on the share and tap on this add to Evernote. And again you need to tap on it. Let's do it again. Just tap on it and again tap on it, and your notes will be added into your application. Here you will see your saved notes. From here you can directly see your notes or the contents of the web page, or to save the web page, or you can save the image or the video from the different application. Like for example, I'm showing you by saving a picture from the WhatsApp. You just need to tap on it, and on the share option you have to select add to Evernote. Just tap on it and tap on the tick mark and you will see on this application. Here is my, you can see here, this is my image I have saved from WhatsApp. One more example I'm showing you from this application. Like say, if I want to save this notes, this information into this application, then I just need to click on share option, and here I just need to select from the share option. I have to select add to Evernote, then it will be added into my Evernote account. As you can see here, my note is added into, as you can see here, my notes has been added into my account. I can see it by tapping on it directly into this application. So it's a very useful application for taking and organizing notes into your mobile phone. So try it out yourself. So if you like this video useful for you, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. And thanks for watching my video.